Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969 coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Brilliance of the Seas. We're inside the Minstrel dining room. This is the main dining room. It spans actually two decks, Deck 4 and Deck 5. Thank you. We're headed out into the Centrum. The Centrum starts at Deck 4, goes all the way up to Deck 11. Many times we'll have bands, even game shows here at the Centrum. This is it. This is the Centrum. Like I said, it goes all the way up there to Deck 11. Over here is the R Bar. This is a very popular place to get a drink. Your favorite beverage waits you. If you have any issues up ahead, guest services, and shore excursions. We'll head up to Deck 5. Here on Deck 5 they have Next Cruise, which of course you can book your next cruise. Cafe Latitudes, get your favorite drink. Coffees, keep you awake. Need that caffeine. Up here's the Shops of Centrum. We're in port today, so the shops will be closed, but I'll give you a good idea of what's here. Of course, they have like a perfume shop, jewelry shop, logo shop, like a general store here. You can get all your new Crown and Anchor gear, ship models. Yeah. Of course, they have, alcohol that you can buy, but not drink on board. Naturally, they have the Invicta watch shop. They have a photo gallery. Up here is where they have like all your photos that the wonderful photographers have taken of you throughout the voyage. And here they display them on the walls here on the right. They're closed right now, so the walls are, well, closed. Alright, got some art gallery here. So if you're looking to purchase some art, take home some pieces of art, you can do so. The Pacifica Theater is up ahead. They're probably practicing for a show, so the doors are closed. You can't go in there right now. Let's go up to Deck 6. Hello. Alright, let's go up to Deck 6. Thought this was kind of entertaining. They have a sign here. Visit America. Alright. Up here on Deck 6. Oh, let's go this way. One of the things they have here on these Radiance class ships, they have a movie theater. Yeah, a cinema. That cinema's right over here. Let's take a peek. Looks like they'll be showing Forrest Gump here. This is the King and Country. This is like an English pub. What's neat about this one, it has darts. You can actually play a game of darts here. And up ahead, we have the Casino Royale. Like I said, we're in port today, so the casino's closed. Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to film in here. Alright, look at this. They've got all these tables here. Games of chance, lots of slots, naturally a bar. This lovely lady here has been standing here patiently, just patiently, waiting for a big high roller to take her away. Alright. Hey, bird. Let's see what else is up here. Alright. As we exit the casino, we're back into the Centrum. Hello! This is Vintages. Vintages is a wine bar. But over here on deck 6, Vintages. Up ahead, the famous Schooner Bar. Back on the ship, they have the Colony Club and a few specialty restaurants. Alright, over here's the Schooner Bar. Let's take a peek inside here. Looks like the doors of Chops Grill are open. Let's take a look inside. Alright, we're inside of Chops Grill. This is their steakhouse. This is my favorite restaurant on Royal Caribbean ships. Chops Grill. Oh yeah. Great seating, great food, and of course, great views. Alright, there's another specialty restaurant here too. Let's go there next. We gotta go back out to the Schooner Bar. Alright. Schooner Bar, of course, has a bar. Hello. Doors of Giovanni's are closed. Wonder if something's going on in there. Here's the famous Schooner Bar piano. They have entertainers every night here. Sometimes even every day. Playing piano music. Sometimes they do trivia. It's always a good time in the Schooner Bar. Alright. At the back of the ship is the Colony Club. Surprised the Colony Club's not used for more things. Colony Club is really a beautiful venue. And one of the things they have in here, gyro-stabilized pool tables. Pool tables actually, like I said, they're gyro-stabilized. So in case of rough seas, the pool tables will always stay level. Alright, let's keep going to the back of the ship. Here at the back, this is the Colony Club. Like I said, it's a beautiful venue that I'm really surprised is not used for more. And I've seen art auctions here. They do like the top tier event in here. But look at this. This is a beautiful place. Why is it not used more? Alright, see what's over here. The back of the ship. They got those beautiful views that span the entire width of the ship. I was surprised there's not more people here. And look at this. It's like panoramic views. All right. Beautiful place. And this is me, Mr. Shadow1969. Hopefully you enjoyed this video of the Brilliance of the Seas. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and hopefully I get to see you on board soon. Thanks for watching.